Hello, my name is Greg Sabo, and I am the head of engineering at Fieldguide, where we're building AI solutions for advisory and audit firms. Previously, I was the engineering lead for AI experiences at Asana. I want to touch on a few things that I'm seeing happen with AI in the workplace. First, we're continuing to see AI's capabilities expand. Most recently, we've broken through a plateau of capabilities with test time computation. Models like OpenAI's O1 and O3 use this technique, and I believe DeepSeek R1 is also using that. We're increasingly confident that AI can already answer very complex questions and understand and reason about really hard problems. And that's going to play out in the workplace in a huge way, but it's going to take a while to get there, mostly because of data access. So workplaces have very complex systems of permissions and where data lives and who has access to it, who can change that information, and the ability to access information is the key barrier to AI's actual impact in the workplace. I think the organizations that will do best with AI over the next 5 years are the ones that are going to be the most intelligent about how they change those rules and create flexibility for how AI can access that stuff. It's not just about unfettered access, it's about structured access and annotation and how humans can influence that access and understand how the AI is accessing it. So it's a hard problem for application developers to solve and for companies to figure out. I also think overall, over the next 5 to 10 years, AI is going to completely transform what it feels like to work. Knowledge work today has a new normal that was kind of solidified around COVID, with Zoom and video being a crucial part of the workplace, and before that, obviously, the internet completely transformed office work and what it meant to be an employee and all those sorts of things. I think everything that we take for granted about work today is going to look at least a little bit different in the next 10 years. Things like meetings, things like what it means to be hired, what performance looks like, what hard work looks like, what impact looks like. Those human factors are still very much going to be present, but they're going to be transformed by AI in ways that I think are going to be net positive. It's going to be fascinating to see play out. I feel like we've been hearing about AI buzz for several years now, and it's easy to kind of start to tune it out, but I think it's still a huge shift that's happening, and it's important as a leader to maintain focus on how this is going to play out for your organization and for the world so that your organization can benefit from it the most.